When you have oil from your hydraulic system analyzed, it's like visiting your doctor for a checkup. The oil analysis enables those who understand the report to confirm that all is well. Alternatively, an informed diagnosis can be made of a developing mechanical problem or chemical imbalance. As you'll see in this module, acting on the diagnosis can often extend the patient's life. Donaldson oil analysis, which is a service performed by independent laboratories, provides the quality testing necessary for effective preventive maintenance. Our objective is fast and highly accurate information which indicates the status of our customers' engines and equipment. Accessories for oil sampling, such as a quick sampling valve, are available through your local Donaldson distribution outlet. For best results when using the oil analysis service, please follow these 5 important steps. First, take the sample removing oil from the system while it is running and under normal working conditions. Sample from turbulent zones, if possible, downstream of the system's components. Do not take the oil sample from areas where oil flow is restricted or where contaminants and products of component wear tend to settle and collect. Once a proper sampling point and method is chosen for a particular component, oil samples should always be taken from the same point, using the same method. Next, complete the mostly self-explanatory sample processing form for each sample. Be sure to inform the laboratory of any mechanical or operating problems experienced with the sampled system. Step 3 is to accurately label the sample, taking care that it matches the data on the processing form for proper identification of the sample. As the 4th step, send the sample to the lab using a rapid delivery service. We recommend sending the samples in quickly rather than holding on to them. The final step is to review the lab report when it comes back to you, or to view it online. After you've verified your equipment identification, look at the color-coded sliding scale. It tells at a glance whether the analysis results are in the normal range or the overall degree to which problems have been detected. On the report, 0 is normal. 1 means that at least 1 or more items have exceeded initial flagging points but are still considered as minor. 2 means a trend is developing, and 3 indicates that simple maintenance and/or diagnostics are recommended. 4 denotes that failure is imminent if maintenance is not performed. For hydraulic systems, pay special attention to several important indicators. They are oil viscosity and the total acid number, or TAN, which shows oxidation. The water content is another oxidation factor. Also take note of the particle counts and wear materials data. The elemental analysis, or spectroscopy, in columns of data identifies the type and amount of wear particles, contamination, and additives. Determining the metal content can alert you to the type and severity of wear occurring. This is why it is important to supply full details about the unit from which the oil is being tested. Remember to include its work environment. Measurements are expressed in parts per million. Combinations of wear metals can identify components within the machine that are wearing. Knowing the environment in which the unit operates can explain the varying levels of contaminant metals. Items in the multi-source metals and additive metals section may appear in test results because of their use in oils as additives. Excessive levels of dust and dirt can be abrasive and accelerate wear. Water in oil decreases lubricity, prevents additives from working, and facilitates oxidation. How often should you sample your hydraulic system for oil analysis? Donaldson recommends following the intervals set by your equipment manufacturer. If that information is not available, we recommend that you do it at regular intervals between 250 and 500 hours of operation. Once you have started sending in samples from a hydraulic component for Donaldson oil analysis, an ongoing record is started. Successive reports will repeat earlier report data for comparison and trend management. There is also a Donaldson hydraulic oil analysis kit for basic on-site monitoring of systems. The kit is typically used on industrial and heavy-duty equipment. It provides TAN, the total acid number, water in parts per million, and provides the ISO particle count. This servicing information is provided as a best practices guide. It is not, however, intended to replace or supersede the service instructions supplied by your engine or vehicle manufacturer.